Applying fragrance or smelling perfume are both permissible during the fast. So you can go to Tim Hortons, get a coffee for somebody. It will not break your fast, even though you can smell coffee. Okay? Likewise, you want to buy some coffee and you take a good sniff, there's no harm. Okay? So applying fragrance or smelling perfume are both permissible during the fast. And likewise, you can also apply oil. And when oil is permissible, cream is permissible. You can apply lotion, you can apply petroleum jelly, you can even apply lip gloss, you can even apply lipstick, as long as you don't swallow it. Okay? When it comes to creams, you put them on your skin, and yes, the skin absorbs it, but it's not food. It's not going to reach your stomach. This is just like you put kuhl in your eyes. It goes into your eyes, but it doesn't reach your stomach. It doesn't give you nutrition. It may improve the health of your eyes, just like the cream may improve the condition of your skin, but it's not nutrition in the sense that it's not food that you eat. Okay. The question was about creams, okay, like ointments, or creams that have some medicinal ingredients that may have pain relief or such. Are you allowed to put that? Yes, you are. Why? Because again, it's not reaching your stomach. Okay? It's not going to give you any energy. Okay? This is just like a person's eyes are very dry and they put kuhl. Okay? Eyes were hurting and they put kuhl. That doesn't break the fast. Likewise, you have a wound on your skin and you apply some ointment and it gives you some relief. There is no harm in that, because it's not going to reach your stomach. Okay? There's a fatwa on Islamic Cure which I'm just going to read out to you, in which they've basically listed a number of things which are permissible, which are allowed during the fast, meaning they do not break the fast. So first of all, eye drops, ear syringing, nose drops, and nasal sprays, so long as one avoids swallowing any material that may reach the throat. Okay? So first of all, it's highly unlikely that it will reach the throat, but in case it does, just don't swallow it, spit it out. Likewise, if a woman has to have a vaginal exam done, that does not break the fast. Likewise, if a woman has to have a coil inserted, an IUD, that also into her uterus, that does not invalidate the fast. Because again, it's not food. It's not reaching the stomach. Then, introduction of a scope or a catheter into the urethra, or injection of dyes for diagnostic imaging or of medication or cleaning of the bladder, that also does not break the fast. Likewise, injections also don't break the fast. When it comes to injections, remember that there are two kinds of injections, two kinds of shots. One is that which is for medical purposes, okay, and the other is that which is for nourishment. So for example, a person is taking, let's say, a drug with an injection. That is something that's not allowed. Let's say some steroids so that they can have a boost of energy. That's something that's not allowed. But if it's for medication, okay, then in that case it is permissible. However, remember that this is a matter over which the scholars differed. Therefore, it is better to be on the safe side and avoid it. Even injections that are for medical purposes, they should be avoided just to be on the safe side. Because there's no clear evidence for either of the two, because the thing is that even if it's medication, it's inserted in your body. It enters your bloodstream. This is very similar to how you would take a pill, swallow it, and from your stomach it would enter into the bloodstream. So this is the reason why it's part of the gray area, and the best is that you stay away from the gray area. Drilling of teeth, extraction or polishing of teeth, using a miswak or toothbrush, so long as one avoids swallowing any material that reaches the throat. So you can get your dental cleaning done during the month of Ramadan as well, as long as you don't swallow anything. Rinsing, gargling, or applying topical treatment in the mouth, so long as one avoids swallowing any material that reaches the throat. So for example, you have to put some ointment, let's say, on your gum, for example. You can do that as long as you don't swallow. So just keep spitting. Okay? Likewise, injections, except for those which are used for the purposes of nutrition. Oxygen, okay, if a person needs oxygen, no harm. Anesthetics, so long as they do not supply nutrition to the patient. Medicines absorbed through the skin, such as creams, lotions, and patches used to administer medication through the skin, again, no harm. Some are very advanced, which are not relevant to people, so that's why I'm skipping them. Likewise, involuntary vomiting. Okay, so basically, all these things are permissible. The basic thing over here is that if it's something through the eyes, the ears, the nose, even the mouth, it is permissible as long as it is not swallowed. And if it is through the skin, then in that case it should not provide any nutrition, energy to the body. Then it's okay. If you're taking the inhaler, the puffers, and you feel the taste in your mouth, then you can't swallow it. You have to spit that out. Okay, but the thing is that when you take an inhaler, it's best to inhale as best as possible, right? So that it goes deep down. Inevitably, it's going to go into your throat as well. It's going into your lungs, but it's also going to go into your throat. So again, it's better to be on the safe side. And if a person has serious illness because of which they have to take this treatment, when you're sick, then Allah has exempted you.